Hey everyone, it's King, and today we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency. You hear it everywhere, but what actually it? In simple terms, cryptocurrency is basically digital money, but instead of being controlled by banks or governments, it operates on a decentralized network using something called cryptography, which is just a fancy way of saying it's super secure. The whole goal here is to make online transactions safer, more transparent, and most importantly, take away the control from those big centralized systems. Now, this all started back in 2009 with the OG cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Nobody knows who exactly created it. They go by the mysterious name Satoshi Nakamoto. But their goal was clear: shake up the entire financial landscape as we knew it. And you know what? They did a pretty good job, because now we're seeing this whole world of new possibilities open up. Let's start with the one that kicked off this whole revolution, Bitcoin. Created in 2009 by the elusive Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was designed to be a decentralized digital currency, meaning no single entity like a bank or government controls it. Instead, it operates on a massive publicly distributed ledger called a blockchain. Think of the blockchain like a giant digital accounting book that records every single Bitcoin transaction ever made. This book is constantly being updated and verified by a network of computers around the world, making it incredibly secure and virtually impossible to tamper with. Now, one of the things that made Bitcoin so revolutionary was its limited supply. Unlike traditional currencies, where governments can just print more money whenever they want, Bitcoin has a fixed cap of 21 million coins. That's it. Once those are mined, that's all she wrote. This scarcity is a big part of what makes Bitcoin valuable, as demand increases and supply stays the same. But Bitcoin isn't just about being a store of value. It can also be used for transactions, just like regular money. Although it's not as widely accepted as traditional payment methods yet, more and more merchants are starting to adopt Bitcoin, and we're seeing a growing number of people using it for everyday purchases. Now, investing in Bitcoin can feel like riding a roller coaster. Its price has been known to fluctuate wildly, and it can be a bumpy ride. But for many people, the potential for high returns outweighs the risks. Just remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your research before jumping in head first. While Bitcoin was busy disrupting the world of money, another cryptocurrency was emerging with even grander ambitions: Ethereum. Launched in 2015 by then-teenager Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum took the blockchain technology behind Bitcoin and supercharged it. See, Ethereum isn't just a digital currency, it's a whole platform for building decentralized applications, or dApps. Think of it like the Apple App Store, but instead of being controlled by Apple, it's run on a decentralized network of computers. This opens up a world of possibilities. Developers can use Ethereum's blockchain to create all sorts of applications, from decentralized finance platforms that allow you to lend and borrow money without a bank, to digital collectibles and NFTs that represent unique digital assets. It's essentially a way to build a more open, transparent, and secure internet. At the heart of Ethereum is its own cryptocurrency, Ether, which is used to fuel transactions and power the platform. Just like Bitcoin, Ether has its own value and can be bought, sold, and traded on cryptocurrency exchanges. But here's where things get really interesting. Remember those dApps I mentioned earlier? Well, many of them create their own tokens that operate on top of the Ethereum blockchain. These tokens can represent anything from governance rights in a decentralized organization to in-game currency in a blockchain-based game. It's like a whole ecosystem of digital assets, all powered by Ethereum. Chapter 3, Binance Coin, the exchange's own currency. Now let's talk about Binance Coin, or BNB. As the name suggests, this cryptocurrency is closely tied to Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Launched in 2017, BNB initially served as a utility token for the Binance exchange, offering discounted trading fees and other perks to users. But BNB's utility has expanded significantly since then. It can now be used to pay for goods and services at a growing number of merchants, book travel accommodations, and even invest in new cryptocurrency projects through Binance's Launchpad platform. It's essentially become a multi-purpose cryptocurrency within the Binance ecosystem. One of the key factors contributing to BNB's success is its connection to the Binance exchange. As one of the most popular and trusted cryptocurrency exchanges globally, Binance provides a solid foundation for BNB's growth and adoption. Furthermore, Binance has implemented a unique burn mechanism for BNB, where they periodically destroy a portion of the total supply. This burning process helps to control inflation and potentially increase the value of BNB over time, much like a company buying back its own shares. So where does cryptocurrency go from here? Well, the future of money is looking pretty digital. With the way things are going, some experts believe that cryptocurrencies could partially or even completely replace traditional currencies in the future. Now, I'm not saying that's definitely going to happen, but it's definitely something to think about. Governments and huge companies are already developing their own digital currencies and blockchain projects. The year 2050 might seem like a lifetime away, but the way technology is advancing, we could see some massive changes in the financial landscape. Cryptocurrency has the potential to revolutionize everything from how we make payments to how we invest our money. But it's not just about the technology. The real question is, are we ready for a world where money is decentralized and controlled by the people? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the future of finance is going to be interesting. Don't get left behind.